Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're enjoying my videos. If you are, please do subscribe and like the videos and share with your friends and family. Today I'm going to teach you how to make karahi keema. For this you're going to need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 onions peeled and chopped, 2 large tomatoes, half a kilogram of lamb mince, and I've got here 1 teaspoon of garlic ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. So the first thing we're going to do is add the oil to the wok or deep pan, and then add the garlic ginger paste, and we're just going to wait for it to sizzle a little bit in the pan. Sorry about any background noise, it could be the dishwasher that I've got on. Okay, so it started to sizzle a little bit. I'm just going to turn down the heat, and then I'm going to add in the mince. So I've just added the mince, and we're just going to wait for it to brown for a few minutes, probably around 10 to 15 minutes before we do anything else. So after about 10 minutes it should start to look a little bit like this, and we're just going to then add in our spices. And just give it a good stir. And then I'm just going to get the chopped onions and add those as well. So I've just added the chopped onions. I know it looks like a lot, but it's the onions that give this dish the amazing flavour. So we're just going to let this cook now for around 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. So after 20 minutes it should look something like this. So I'm just going to add in the chopped tomatoes. And then I'm going to let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. So after around 10 to 15 minutes it should look something like this. So I'm just going to cook for a few more minutes and it'll be ready to serve. I'm just going to garnish with some freshly chopped coriander or dhania and some green chilies. So this is the finished karahi keema. Enjoy this with fresh roti or fresh naan. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.